Alright, so here's the second video. This is the inside of the unit. What you can tell is going to need to be renovated. Previous owner left the roof leak. So it's like a living room, bedroom there. Hallway area. Electrical's gotta be done. Another bedroom. Flooring's gotta be done. Another bedroom. Ceiling damage. Windows. Bathroom's gotta be completely redone. Another bedroom. Essentially, but we're gonna box this off right here, frame it, and put laundry in there. This is gonna be the dining room, and then kitchen, which has got to be replaced, painted, new countertops. So, we're estimating this unit to rent for about $950 to $1150 is gonna be the goal. So, more updates to come, guys.